Honey is an exceptional ingredient that can do wonders for the skin. People mainly incorporate honey in food and beverages to sweeten their taste. But honey also plays a vital role in adding medicinal value to skin health. You may easily spot beauty and skin enhancement products with honey as a key ingredient. In addition, honey has specific medicinal properties which can cure many skin problems and complications. But there are a lot of side effects too. So at the end of the video, I will tell you that is honey really good for your skin or not. So keep watching the video to discover more about the potential benefits and side effects of honey for the skin. First of all, I wanna discuss about the effective benefits of honey. Number 1. Honey prevents acne and pimples. Honey for the face is an excellent due to its antibiotic and anti-inflammatory effects, which help remove surplus oil from the skin surface and clean the blocked or clogged pores, which if not intended to, may cause acne and pimples consistently on the skin. Number 2. Honey cures sunburns. Honey for the face is an exceptional home remedy to heal sunburns naturally. Honey supports healing by lowering inflammation and providing nutrition to damaged tissues. This makes honey a fantastic treatment for sunburns. Number 3. Honey gives you glowing skin. Honey contains skin brightening properties. It moisturizes the face and gives a glowing effect on the face. The ingredient honey is an exceptional ingredient to treat dry and rough skin. However, it also works well for oily and acne-prone skin. In short, it can deal with every type of skin because of its moisturizing properties while keeping the skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Number 4. Honey moisturizes the skin. There are countless benefits of using honey on the face. Honey supplies moisture to the skin from the air. Applying honey on the face keeps your skin hydrated, glowing, and fresh. Number 5. Honey is an effective exfoliator. Artificial exfoliates often damage your skin and let it go red and may cause irritation. For a better experience, switch to honey for a scrubber and say goodbye to all artificial scrubbers. Honey also exfoliates your face and skin hassle-free and removes dead skin cells. Honey also leaves your face glowing and smooth skin. Number 6. Honey repair cracked heels. Honey has exceptional healing properties that work well to treat cracked or dry heels. As per a review in 2012, honey is found to have effective antimicrobial and antibacterial characteristics. In addition to this, it may also aid in cleansing the wounds and affected areas from within. To add to this, honey hydrates the skin too. You can use honey as an exfoliator for the removal of dead skin and for getter the results faster. You may go for a honey foot mask for better and faster results. Number 7. Honey moisturizes the lips. The best use of honey for the face is to keep the skin hydrated. Honey is a natural ingredient that cures cracked and rough lips. In addition, it moisturizes the lips and helps retain the moisture. Honey is a disinfectant. The natural sweetener has antibacterial properties that protect the skin from infectious bacteria and infecting agents. Number 8. Honey is a face cleanser. It's time to stop using face wash daily. Honey is a go-to ingredient for combating acne because of its antioxidants and antiseptic and antibacterial characteristics. In addition, honey opens your pores and removes those bothersome blackheads while keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. Number 9. Honey treats eczema. Eczema is a skin condition that might be treated well with honey. According to researchers, honey has been categorized as a trusted source that could help treat dermatitis. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial activities are among them. Number 10. Honey eliminates blackheads. Honey, a natural antibiotic, helps remove dirt and impurities from the skin pores, thus clearing blackheads. In addition, the antioxidants in honey, along with its nutrient and enzymes, keep the skin nourished and clear from within by destroying the germs, thus effectively removing blackheads. Number 11. Honey fades scars. Honey can heal scars because of its natural antibacterial and antimicrobial characteristics. When used to treat injuries, honey is found to aid in encouraging tissue growth and reduce scarring. It also helps keep skin clean while healing since it kills bacteria effectively. Number 12. Honey helps in healing wounds. Honey has been introduced recently in modern medical practice. According to a journal in 2011, honey is said to have antibacterial properties that work effectively in treating wounds, but you need to give the healing process time. In addition, laboratory studies and clinical trials have proven honey to be an effective broad-spectrum antibacterial agent. Now I want to discuss about the side effects of honey for the skin. Understanding your allergies and how a new product may affect your skin is critical. If honey is contaminated, allergies to bees, pollen or bee venom, it can produce an allergic reaction. There are no expected adverse effects, although anyone can become reactive, allergic or irritated. Conclusion. You must be wondering, is honey good for the face or not? So the answer is yes. Honey has several skin-friendly properties which can leave surprising effect on the face. For example, honey has antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities, making it helpful in treating skin disorders. A person must discuss this with their doctor before using honey to cure skin disease. When using honey, always test a small amount on your skin before applying a significant amount. So this was all about my today's video. Give huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel and also share it with your loving ones. Thank you so much for watching and until the next time, take care and bye-bye.